Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're switching from Android to iPhone in 2025 and worried about losing your game progress, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into how to seamlessly transfer your game data. Whether it's your high scores in Clash of Clans or your saved worlds in Minecraft, this guide will help you keep everything intact. Let's get started. First off, why is this important? With the latest updates in 2025, cross-platform transfers are easier than ever, thanks to improved cloud services and app integrations. The key players here are Google Play Games, Apple Arcade, and services like iCloud and Google Drive. Step 1. On your Android device, open the Google Play Games app. Sign in with your Google account and look for the Backup or Save Data option. Most games now support automatic cloud backups, so make sure that's enabled. For games without this, manually export your data if possible. Check the game's settings for export features. Step 2. Once your data is backed up, switch to your iPhone. Download the same games from the App Store. Many popular games, like Fortnite or Genshin Impact, have cross-progression built in. Log in with the same account, often your email or linked platform like Epic Games. Step 3. For games that use iCloud, go to your iPhone settings, tap on your Apple ID, and ensure iCloud is synced. Import the data by opening the game and selecting the Restore option. If you're dealing with non-native apps, use third-party tools like iMazing or follow the game's specific transfer guide. Now, a quick troubleshooting tip. If you run into issues, make sure both devices are on the latest OS, Android 16 or iOS 19 in 2025, and that you have a stable internet connection. Double-check account links to avoid mismatches. There you have it. Transferring game data doesn't have to be a headache. Give this a try, and you'll be gaming on your iPhone in no time. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.